Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the band and clasp so you're not fumbling mid-step. Those differences change how you secure it. First, hold the watch face up and place the body on the top of your wrist where you want it to sit. Once done, pull the opposite band end through the buckle so the watch body stays centered. Make sure the sensor side rests flat against skin to get accurate readings. This also prevents twisting when you fasten the strap. Now align the free band and thread it through the buckle or clasp while holding the watch body steady with your other hand. Push the pin into the correct hole that gives a snug fit, about 1 finger's width of space, so sensors breathe and circulation is fine. Once the pin is seated, close the clasp or press the buckle until it snaps. Then route any excess strap into the keeper or tuck it under to prevent catching. This keeps the fit tidy and stable. Final checks matter. Move your wrist, make a fist, and ensure the watch doesn't slide more than a fingertip. If it shifts, loosen or tighten by 1 hole and recheck. Make sure heart rate or skin sensors register. If they don't, adjust placement slightly toward the inside of the wrist. If the clasp won't secure, inspect the pin and keeper. Sometimes reseating the pin or swapping to a compatible band fixes it quickly. If problems persist, stop and reattach with tools or seek a replacement band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.